Hello children, good morning. Now what picture do you see on the screen? Yes, it is a flag of India. Now I will show you some more flags of different countries. So this is a flag of Ireland. This is a flag of Iran. And this is a flag of Mexico. So today you are going to learn about your country, about your nation. So open to page 64 from your English textbook. So I will read the lesson. You will follow in your textbook. Know your nation. Teacher, tomorrow is August 15th. All of you should come early by 7:30 a.m. Let us celebrate the day by hoisting our national flag. Ramya, teacher, what is the importance of August 15th? Teacher, a good question. You have to know about August 15th. We Indians became free on 15th August. Before that, Indians were under the British rule. So Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Savarkar, Nehru, Bose, Patel and others fought for many years to make India a free country. Rahim, did they really have to fight? Teacher, yes, they fought for our independence and were sent to prison. We must remember them always. Deepika, teacher, why do we hoist the flag? Teacher, flag means the nation itself. It represents our motherland. As a mark of respect to the country we are born in, we hoist the flag to show our gratitude. Margaret, teacher, our flag has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Teacher, yes, and do you know what these colors represent? Saffron stands for sacrifice, white for peace and green for prosperity. Harsha, teacher, and the white strip has a chakra. It is blue in color. Jayashree, teacher, what does the chakra means? Teacher, it is the Dharma chakra and it the symbol of progress. Abdul, other than a flag, are there any symbols for our country? Teacher, yes, our national animal is tiger, our national bird is peacock, and our national flower is lotus. Aparna, teacher, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore wrote this. Teacher, good. Have you noticed our national emblem in our currency? Jayashree, no teacher. Teacher takes out a 100 rupees note and show the national emblem. This is the lion capital with chakra flanked by horse and a bull, taken from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka the Great. Arjun, thank you teacher. I did not know these things. From now on, I will love and respect my motherland like my own mother. Teacher, good. We should not only respect our national symbol, but also protect them from abuse. Varsha, I stand at attention whenever our national anthem is being sung. Teacher, that's fine. Even though 15th August is a holiday, we can pay tribute to our country by taking an active part in the national festival. Students, we love our country. We are proud to be Indians. Teacher, now let us all say Jai Hind. Students, Jai Hind. Now, children, what did you understand from this lesson which I just read? Yes. Now, every year on 15th August, we hoist our national flag, isn't it? Now, before 15th August, earlier, our country was ruled by the Britishers, that is the foreign people. Foreigners were ruling. And they were harassing us. So, some great leaders like Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Savarkar, Nehru, Bose, Patel, and many others, they fought for the freedom of our country, and many times they were put behind the bars, that is, they were put in the jail. And they literally fought for our country. And on 15th August, we got independence from the Britishers. So from then onwards, we are hoisting the flag. That is, after getting independence, we started hoisting our national flag. So now flag means it represents the whole country. Our country is our motherland. We respect our country. We are born in India and we should respect our country. And whenever we hoist the flag, we should show our gratitude towards it. We should stand in attention when national anthem is being sung. Okay, now you have seen the flag, isn't it? It has got 3 colors. The top one is saffron, the middle is white, and the bottom is green. Now each colors, they represent our country. Now saffron, it stands for sacrifice. So sacrifice is all the sacrifices the leaders have put in to get a independence. Then white is for peace, to be a peace-loving country. And green is for the prosperity of our country. In the middle of the white stripe, there's a charaka. Okay, now if you observe this charaka, there are 24 spokes. Each spoke is for the progress of our country. Okay, other than the flag, there are many other symbols like national animal is tiger. Okay, and national bird is peacock. National flower is lotus. Now, you remember when we hoist the national flag and after the assembly, the prayer is over, we sing the national anthem, that is Jana Gana Mana. It is sung by Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore. It is written by Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore. Now, if you have seen the currencies of our country, you will find the national emblem on that. Now, on the national emblem, you can see 3 lions. Okay, but actually there are 4 lions. The 4th lion is behind. The 3 lions, that is 2 to the side and 1 facing the front. And the 4th one is behind the front one. Then you can even notice a bull, a chakra and a horse. Okay, and this symbol, that is this emblem, is taken from Sarnath pillar of Ashoka the Great, that is King Ashoka the Great. Now what you should do is, you should respect your country, you should respect your national symbols, and you should also protect it from abuse. So whenever national anthem is sung, you have to stand in attention, and it is not necessary that only on 15th August you should pay tribute to your country. You can pay tribute to your country every day because we love our country and we are proud to be Indians. Jai Hind. Thank you.